In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are seeing this could not create account error on your iPhone or iPad. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now tap this airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. This will refresh your network connection and hopefully fix the problem. However, if the issue persists, go to this general tab here. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on VPN and device management. Now make sure your iPhone or iPad is not connected to any VPN service. If it is, simply turn it off from here. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll up, and then here you will need to tap on software update. Now check for any pending software updates and make sure to install them from here. If you still experience problems, go back to the previous menu and then tap on date and time. Now here make sure this set automatically toggle is enabled. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to this main settings page. Now here tap on apps. Now in here you will need to scroll down and find the mail app. Now simply tap on it. Now here select mail accounts. Now here select iCloud and then go ahead and create your Apple ID. However, if this doesn't work, you can also head to the Safari browser and then type in appleid.apple.com. This will take you to this particular page. Here you can tap on this arrow at the top and then select create your Apple account and then follow the on-screen prompts. If you still can't create your Apple account, the last thing you can try is use a different Android phone and then download Apple Music on it. Once you have downloaded the app, simply tap this three dot icon and then go to settings. Now here you should see this sign in option. Now here you will see this create Apple account option. Simply tap on it and then follow the on-screen prompts to create your Apple ID. Once you have done that, you can use it on your iPhone without any problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.